Good morning, Rutgers. I'm Weather Watcher Dan Cohen here to bring you your Friday, December 10th, 2016 forecast. And it's beginning to feel a lot like winter out there. We got down to a morning low of 30 degrees, which is where we typically expect our average low to be for this time of year. Best of luck if we can reach the 40-degree mark, because we'll be stuck in the 30s today, and most of the foreseeable future will be colder and below average, maybe for the exception of one day in the 7-day forecast. But you can see the headlines. Get used to what we're going to be seeing for the foreseeable future. Cold temperatures and at times stormier conditions. Not necessarily a snowier pattern, but there will be definitely several precipitation type events going into our area as we head into next week. The first of several arriving Sunday night in the form of a wintry mix to start, maybe a little bit of snow before changing over to rain. More on that in just a bit. But you can look at our high temperatures for today. This is the best, like I said, we're going to do. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s across northern and central New Jersey to around 40 across the southern portions of the Garden State. And expanding the view across the northeast, you can see it's pretty much colder for December standards. It's a lot colder across upstate New York and New England as typically expected this time of year. You can see in our radar and satellite the past couple of hours, it's quiet. But you can see in the far top left of your screen, we have some lake effect snow because of a strong northwesterly flow kicking in. Expanding the view, feel a little bit wider. You can see the orange arrows here is the dip in the jet stream, and we have an Arctic high up north. So this is what we call a cross-polar pattern, meaning some Arctic air coming in our area at times. It's also a lot warmer across the southeast. So this is pretty important because we're going to have several systems running along that boundary. You can see the first of several across the Pacific Northwest. Now, this is not the type of setup where we're going to be talking about big coastal storms that develop off the Carolina coast and dump a lot of snow, but at times some warmer air may try to infringe across our area. So that is going to suggest we're going to have to really narrow down the rain or mix changeover line more so than what we've been accustomed to the past few winters. Keep in mind, December is really not our snowiest month across our area, even though we really want to see some snow now, just to put things into perspective. Now, as we take a look at our futurecast, you can see it's quiet. We have the lake effect snow across Lake Erie and Ontario. That's not going to bother us. But here's our first system. We do see maybe some light snow developing, especially north and west late Sunday into Sunday night. But that quickly changed over to rain. Maybe this futurecast may be a little bit too aggressive with the changeover line. In situations like this, the cold air does tend to stick around a little bit longer north and west. That's why I do think we could see a little bit more snow to start, especially across northern New Jersey, where there could be a minor accumulation before the changeover to rain. But we're milder on Monday. That's probably our only warmest day for the entire 7-day. But as we take a look ahead for your Friday, it will be mostly sunny skies with west-northwesterly winds at 15 miles per hour, with at times gusting over 30 miles per hour, making that 39 feel like we're in the 20s. So it's cold. Even colder tonight. The winds do back off a bit, but temperatures are into the mid-20s. So bundle up tonight. And that's the thing we're going to be saying a lot for the 7-day forecast. It's cold for your Saturday and Sunday. At least the winds are calmer. Sunday's really, again, primarily dry, as you can see in the futurecast, so I wouldn't worry about canceling any plans. But we will see some rain and snow developing late, mainly Sunday evening to Sunday night, quickly changing over to rain across New Brunswick. I really don't expect much in the way of accumulation, more so if you're north of, let's say, I-78, especially north of 287 across northwestern areas. That's where you probably will see some accumulation, maybe a coating or 1 to 3 inches, depending on how much that cold air does want to linger on. But we do see the rain end or precipitation end Monday morning, and temperatures are actually milder back into the mid-40s. Again, like I said, that's the only warmest day on the 7-day. We're colder for your Tuesday, seasonable cold, temperatures in the lower 40s. We have our next system on Wednesday. That could be bringing us more in the way of snowfall or rain to start. But regardless, look at the temperature for Thursday. Temperatures only in the mid-20s. When was the last time we had a forecast in December where temperatures didn't get out of the 20s? You probably have to go back to 2013 for that. And there's also another bigger storm possible for the following weekend. So we're definitely into an unsettled pattern. So it's important as we're approaching finals, classes, and you definitely want to check us out every 15 minutes on RUTV channel 23.1, or you can like us on Facebook or Twitter using the hashtag RUWeather. And for more information on Weather Watcher, you can log on our website by typing in weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Dan Cohen. Make it a great Friday, and be sure to stay warm. Thanks for watching.